said the attack no. Enti me sha se a mindru. Me nya sure se obia obeba Central Market aba bedi dwa no. Ana obeba bola ho aba bedi dwa. Ana obeba kejetia aba bedi dwa. Ewia onka se media metetafo traffic wo pa enti mi nuru. Ana me kwa abu akwa traffic wo kwan so enti kwan wo awanti me make attempt kra se me kwa akofa ka. Ana se ebia me kwa ka so a ekwan wa enti mi nuru nti nipa no enhase se o make a step. This life is about step. Abrabo a ye bono eye anamontuo. Era osase tu anamon a
Sompa
obedru. Enti ne say osase buru nso ntamo a wani eye kokko. The earlier you start the better for you. Emfa wo ne wabrabo ne ekwan a ewa ma wo. Ene osase se utu anamon a obedru. Na wan tu anamon a ade ba ko wo ma waso hye ne so se wan tu anamon a kwansine a wasa wo no eso nte. The steps, the miles you have to cover and say na wadru bia okono se wan sha se a undru. Enti men fan sem nyi you ano. Don't give excuses. Wan hwe ya enipa bia so opekwan ma excuses a obenya bi. Obenya excuses cranchi a eni so utu anamon ko bia e waso uduru no. Obenya excuse a bia e waso okono unko. Obenya excuse ntia obeka se bria na okono kra ehun ni mfaso. Enipa bebre abrabo mu no ya tena se ama abrabo no ebiti yen. Ennan se obra kwantuo no yenya ya adwen se ebetu anamo. Enti wanamo tuo no wani da so se obi ana eba befo wa hye akire ede wakwa. Masa somu hoy enya akwa. Obi ani ho a obeba besomwo. Yesu so ane me kai pa ya ofanom eba omfra brochire ba satan na jama bogafo wo so pa. Omu ba no mabbo pimpini si pa na etire no ye fra bibi half currency na mafo de bebra ma meto. Half currency na tirinwe no ye yia na asefan ekofom sa na boy bianchen sa. Na ya ofamo ba omde broom prayer no de abeto na ho so okwa obebra mpaboa. Mofa ya kwajo buate say na me paboa de beba I don't know. Yesusu me nan ya se me di mi wo fa chi na mentu na mo na me de manu to so me wo fa se me ma me se madam fu be se a ara se adwuma me ye ne se a ana why you comfortable in the zone you are. Onu baby abedru ni da. Entifa hye wa adwemu se anamo na ubetuo no eye wa hankasa. Enye obia. Obra akwantuo no enye obia. It is about you and only you. Arobotu fo nyankopon mani jafa drum twan ye hunhia. No mani mununkum ne nkata ye so onti na nim che. Na oma wiki ene nei within the next 24 hours enye nkunimdie emayen. Ya frem na Kwame Nkwantabisa obetima frem na Nkwantabisa. Aropa ye bedi nkomo. Aropa ye bedi nkomo pa. Na ya kan se Ken of Oriata ne nkomo no eda so ekoso. The Central Bank BOG, Bank of Ghana, Enra Ekopiem Public Account Committee, in fact, it was interested. Abena busa question mama who told me pap. For some time now, people were chastising Abena, who is chair of Air Park Public Account Committee, no. But Enra dear, I must admit, say, mama no. In fact, question to my BOG, and I was happy. But in a way, I was disappointed a bit with the Central Bank governor. And some my question now no yeah no. Though Edru Baby, he was being a gentleman and he said, oh, yeah, beba. But there were some questions, sir. If you're a finance person, if you're an economics, or you're a student of finance, you're accountant or whatever you are, and not even ordinary Ghanaian. Obon sem ni bi owa. It was not making sense in a way. One thing I was a Ghana I can't no cry ba akupe. Right? Go to now yet for reserve. Now I'm back at you say a cano me some catch or say gold board na boka. Na is a metia. Na is a finance and economics and crime in Tiasia. Broke man accounting the economics or chair na is wa bregu. I am telling you the truth to say. And that gold board na boka. But whether you like it or not, yaboka. The earlier we stop shifting the goalpost, earlier you better say, you better judge blame game, no, the better for us. In 2024, Ethiopia politicians are so funny. Every people catch say, oh, it's the brainchild of Dr. Baumia. Yes, that is factual, that is truth. When it comes to gold for reserve, G for R now. Yes, and gold for oil and the brainchild. Real politicians. At the same time, you have catch you say, these same people are saying, say, gold board aboka central as the central bank. Jumedio mudiamo no central bank naboka in the books IMF exposium. Now already a central bank 2024. Omo financial reporter, Kwana Kwasho Honso can be ho. It tells you say, from time I say be gold for reserve no, a car and a yearbo as for mine. Because off takers in the back the kind of discounter ya momo and whying as a nation. Instance say ya better na say a draw and kwanya de befaso. There is hope. There is light at the end of the tunnel. But if we be say na tunnel no me duru area light me the day. Whilst I can light up at the start of the tunnel, at the beginning of the tunnel, met masha asian san kra na mafa tunnel ni mu a ade na o se me koduru tunnel na ana for ansa na manya kania. The American general say go for reserve is the way to go for Ghana. Gold board buy, you know, so after can PMC for kwan yo mu fa so a omu tom gold no mu regulated these things regulated market now. In a way, some of the ideas and the principles are no mu use no na mwayen. Gold board buy at least onye ye kra no. Sika be fe fanchen gold a ye hwere na nka kwabrane betra Ghana abe documentary say Africa niti to Ghana the gold otimi smuggle kone de. Enya asem ketwa. But at least there is decorum kakraba. Yen gold n yenya kwanya ye de befa so ede akwakoton atemamufu anyankopon ede gold ni cheye no at least they betim dia bebo man ho bra. But the truth of the matter is say ya tonwa na ya boka e kwan ben ye befa so a ya tonwa ye moka biem. That is the most important thing I think for now. Also leaders esha say discuss it. And yet MPP boka say NDC boka say nyehia. These are things it make sense. And fa solution bi amren. Mo boka 240 no so aka to say oh. Mo so mo boka 3.18. Do aka to say my show books ni mo me say 1.6 in there ho but 3.18 eni ho. Na ye aposhin blame sa. Kwakwa ran tatwe ni e bo men. But indeed, if you want to progress as a nation, or maybe are progressing like Singapore, or maybe are progressing, or Maya, even North Korea. You can't the history of North Korea, Chinawa, North Korea, Korea, the ya, Singapore, Ababe, the even Rwanda, yedim. Akun see ye enyama edi brom. Even Rwanda. Yesterday I was sad. I was going through economy bia da me drew Kenya de no. Me share Kenya GDP. Me share Kenya inflation. Me share all the indicators for Kenya. Now we share Ghana yem base or Nigeria. Now we say we still have a lot of work to do. Enyamra I say ekase MPP I say NDC I say the onus lies on the current government. Yeah, abai maza There be a make share NDC for say. Temamu for sanka de twam nanke panke anto aba ma se momra wo. Sananka Ghana de nanke ye. And we were okay with what was going on. Anka ya kwoto aba se NDC abayimra. Entina waba. Stop just opposing anamuye saying enya no na temamfo pesi etie. What we want to hear and say. Now, yenya stability when it comes to inflation. But you move to deflation whereby your marketing you be significantly. Send me one mountain so eti. Any inflation here. We are moving, it is good, we are stabilizing it, but we need a point in time. You better develop we can see in real terms deflation.
Sompa.
That is what we are calling for as a nation. Arapai, you better unkomo. MPP for my battle ya mo babetu. But one sembebre kafang, and Arapai, you just love it. Ya babetu a babako. Na me wo ye wo swami. I came there. Now me re-election na kwasona me can certain things. And the parameters that I said within that parameters no and run a buy. Yeah, Baba to general election. Me catch MPP for say there is a strategy. NDC for you so. Now that strategy no is working for them. Omuma MPP for na ana eton wo mu. And decide no mu ye no. Obi a wa follow election bia no enim say it will work for them. I'm here to tell you, say, as it stands now, and the other are torso 13. We have few days to election for MPP flag bearers. The dynamism is changing. Dynamics a woman in our asses, and now make catch your plane, fa. Post to be a near Juma. Post prediction there bang in our Asiagu. I'm telling you on authority. Prediction be a ba ye be Asiagu. Say yankwamsha fatun chen. I believe in God. Me nyamidi. Me kasa kwamsha ni wo. But me catch yourself strategically. I said this. Omo what tapes in there can go back and check. I said this between JFK and John Boadu. And I'll tell you this morning, say, there are dynamics be a boba. Now, are you interested? And I don't know if you are that Kwame Nkwantabisa na me catch and say, "Sa nipa 118 omo pieces no. Omo declare omo intent and also omo declare omo to me omo pese omo abato omo declare ma Dr. Baumiano. It is not enough. Me catch us about 60 something member of parliament, no, it is not enough. Me catch us 118 no. When it comes to abra ye boa, omo yenkofo omo diye bebre abobra, but politically they are losers. The masses omo down omo ye polling station executive, constituency executives, no. One or 8 delegates, no. These delegates are not for them. And don't rely on it. Over it. I said this Friday. Now me babe cut dynamics for opportunity. And what come to be also re-strategize it. I'm telling you this on authority. I don't pay from me now. Kwame so as far as ready, I'm sorry now. Orlando, and Mbapa, Emetenasi. Now Mba Matisse a pump coach be. Ultimately, ha metie pa. Mate say, is it Real Madrid? A pump coach be. Na nina mobano, mobe mami jest no. Na anopay, me so matenasi na metie bi pa. Me team brekum Chelsea. They didn't get the relegation, but as they say, dear, your board draw your Nicotoko board. I say, yeah. I say, na kwa me anope me chemuna. All right, mami sorry. Yakoba, we have a lot to talk about. Benimia, Kwame Jacoba, betina si ebedi nkomo.